Mount Dora gem, tucked away in the quaint established neighborhood of Donnelly Village, just 1 mile from the heart of the historical downtown. Great location. This cozy home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open floor plan with living room dining room combo with cathedral ceiling. Kitchen with eat-in breakfast nook, currently being used as a home office area. Private rear garden. Not overlooked. Mature landscaping. Separate dog run with access from the garage. Call for a private viewing today.